guys, so this is how you make the large flower petal for cherrim. So at the end of round 4 you should have 2 pieces that are the same. Both of them have 8 stitches in the round. And then beginning with round 5, first single crochet 4 in the same one that you were just working in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then join to the first piece that you made. So here we can see where it ended, and I'm just going to join right into the next stitch in the round there. And in this one we single crochet 8 around this whole thing. So 1, 2, and it just helps me with counting to kind of mark where I joined. So I'm just going to put a little stitch marker here, just for counting later. Okay, so we were at 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then working back onto the piece that we started from 4 on there. So let's see. Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then counting around, so that should be 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 should be where the marker is, where you joined. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then now you just work around this whole thing. So for the next round, you're just working in this entire big loop now. Hopefully that's helpful. Bye for now.